Because it's just supposed to be fun. Like women are like, that's fun, afternoon with your friend. Oh, her mom, that's cool. They don't care if there's mistakes or that's not smooth. That's why it's fun. It's okay. We're just making pizza. But let me make sure we catch Okay. Hi ladies, Shelly Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. Welcome to Solana Beach, California, where we are not at my home, we're at my parents'. This is my mom, Carol, and we are going to make a ladies' lunch today. We are making a cauliflower crust, pesto, pizza, salad. That sounds good.
We love pizza.
We do love
So
pizza.
healthy is good.
Yeah, so healthy is good. Okay, now ladies, you know there is no shame in my game. So we have started out with a cauliflower pizza crust. Now I just bought this from Whole Foods. Super easy, super simple. We just crisped it for about 5 or 6 minutes in the oven. And now we're just going to make the pizza. Now, Mom is going to start by slicing some tomatoes. That's you, you're the mom. Mom is going to start by slicing some fresh tomatoes. I am going to take the cauliflower crust pizza, and I just bought store-bought pesto. You know, again, I love my shortcuts. So I love buying store-bought pesto, and then I'll add a little extra garlic or a little extra pine nuts. Let me grab a spoon. Just a little more of the things that I like to pump it up a little bit. So all I'm going to do is smear some pesto over the cauliflower crust pizza. And the thing that I love about pesto, so yes, it is high in good fats and calories, but it's so flavorful, you get a lot of bang for your buck. You like pesto, right, Mom?
I do.
Yeah.
And your dad does too.
And yes, and Dad likes pesto too. So this is going to be the layer on our pizza. It just gives it a lot of nice, good, fresh flavor, and the garlic really comes through. This is delicious. Of course, you can make your own pesto if you like, and I have done that before, but this is just easier. So we're just gonna put a little pesto. And then now, Mom, why don't you and I layer some tomatoes on the pizza? And these are just fresh tomatoes from the grocery store. So we just layer a single layer on the pizza. Maybe we need to sharpen our knives. Just a little. Okay, that one maybe isn't camera ready. Okay, and the final one in the middle. All right, so there we've got our crust of pizza, a little pesto, a little tomato. All right, and now we're just going to put some red onions on top. And again, if you don't like red onions, obviously don't put them on, but it just adds a little flavor. And we're gonna put a little bit of feta cheese over the top. This just gives it another nice little bit of a punch. And Mom and I will have this for a light ladies lunch, or sometimes we just have it in the evening
On Friday night.
on Friday night.
That's our
thing. That's our thing with an A. All right. And that's it. Now, Mom's going to put this in the oven. So Mom, that's your job.
That's my job today.
That's your job. And she's going to just let that bake until the cheese is a little bit melted, probably 5 or 7 minutes. So let's bake it. Okay ladies, the pizza broiled for about 5 to 7 minutes, just until it got nice and melty and golden brown. We've let it cool. It's gonna cool off just a little more. I mean, look how delicious that is. You could eat it just like that. You don't have to put a salad on, but we love a salad with our pizza. All right, so I'm gonna set this aside, and Mom and I are gonna just quickly make the salad, and it's really this easy. We're going to put, now Mom, you grab the olive oil, and we're going to put equal parts olive oil and balsamic vinegar. So maybe we do a tablespoon, quick tablespoon in there, probably a little more, just a touch more. There you go. And a tablespoon or so of the balsamic. That's about a tablespoon. We think that's a tablespoon. All right, a little salt.
My turn.
Your turn. A little fresh cracked black pepper. And this is just gonna give it a nice little tang, a nice little something to it, but it's not going to be heavy. And we're just going to whisk it. And again, no shame in my game, I will take shortcuts. This is pre-washed, pre-cut spring mix salad just from the grocery store. It's already been pre-washed 3 times. And we just put, I don't know, probably about that much in there. That'll be about good. And then, Mom, do you want to mix it up? Just toss the salad. Be nice and fresh. And while she's doing that, we are going to have this out on their deck, and I'm going to show you their deck outside. It's gorgeous, a complete, beautiful view of the Pacific Ocean. It's to die for. I will bring a sleeping bag and live here, let me tell you. Okay.
And I get the results of her bringing my lunch or dinner.
Yes, she gets to benefit from this. And your dad. And Dad too. Dad was just in the back eating Cheetos, and we had to edit that out. Okay. All right, great. So that's our salad. And Mom, do you want to bring the serving dish over here? We're going to put it on a pretty serving dish. Whoop. There you go. And you're just going to put your salad on top. There you go. So you're getting your greens in, and it just gives it a nice fresh flavor to it, and the pesto and a little bit of the feta adds a really big flavor punch, which is why I love it. And again, it's gluten-free because it's a cauliflower crust. Really good. And again, we have this just as a light lunch. We'll have it with some sparkling water, and sometimes we have it as a light dinner. Now, I like to add, stand by. I like to finish it off just to be pretty with just a little bit of feta cheese, just to add a little bit of color to it. And you can sprinkle some toasted pine nuts on top as well. And that's pretty.
Looks good.
That's the dish. Cauliflower crust, pesto, pizza, salad. So join us and let's go out and have a bite of this on the deck. All right.